Giggles and grapes.
Let's learn today about the days in a week.
There are 7 days a week, all with names unique. Some for work, some for play. Let's learn them day by day. Monday starts the week off right. Tuesday's page shines bright. Wednesday, Thursday in the middle too. Friday's joy breaks through. Monday starts the week off right. Tuesday's pace shines bright. Wednesday, Thursday in the middle too. Friday's joy breaks through. Saturday's here, the weekend's near. Sunday's calm, the week's clear. Let's review, don't you fear. Monday's start, Tuesday's cheer. Wednesday and Thursday on the go. Friday's joy, the weekend show. Saturday's fun, Sunday's rest. The week cycle, we've been blessed. 7 days, each one unique. A weekly rhythm, let's speak. Let's learn them day by day in a fun way. Now you know the day so well. You can count them, tell them swell. From sunrise to sunset's glow, each day's adventure starts to grow. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday too. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, it's true. Every day is special, don't you see? A week of wonder for you and me.
This video is sponsored by the chocolate chip cookies.
Subscribe, like, and don't forget to press the bell icon.